Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how we can change your phone language. So as you can see, currently it's set up English language, but we can easily change it by going for the menu, then scrolling to the settings. Right now go below until you find phone settings. Right now we have to go for the phone language, and as you can see we can go for the automatic, we can go for English, for Russian. There is also I don't know what is the language, but as you can see we got a couple of the language, and if you want to choose the different one, for example this one, just click here, and as you can see our language has changed. So there it is. As you can see, it's very simple to change the language. After that you can just go back, but of course I don't understand the language, so I'm going to pick English. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.